What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Subaru Outback. Today I'm going to be pulling out the cabin filter. I'm checking it. This is a good guide if you're looking at replacing yours. This works from 2020 all the way to 22, okay? So it's going to be located behind your glove box. And first thing we're going to do is open up the glove box. And we're going to need to lower this guy. And to do that, we're going to have to disconnect the damper you have here on the side. All you got to do is pull on it, okay, and it'll disconnect. Now, if you look in the corners here, there are these stoppers that stop the glove box from opening them up too far. What we're gonna have to do on both sides is pull the glove box in and get this to go around it, okay? This side can be a little harder. So we're just gonna pull, and then the glove box will actually come down and it can come off of the hinges, okay? They're just these plastic hinges here that's made to kind of do this, and to put it back on, all we do is just set it back on there. It really doesn't click or anything. It just kind of goes on there nice and loose like this. All right, the cabin filter is located in this box here, okay? And if we notice, we have these two retainers here, okay, that we're gonna have to squeeze to undo, okay? So we're gonna squeeze them, and we're gonna pull towards us, okay? And that's gonna let us have the door. Squeeze. Oh, and the door just came flying off, but here it is right here, okay? And here's our filter, and this one's looking a little brown, so probably gonna want to replace this one. Notice how it says up here, that is the airflow direction, okay? So when you get a new filter and it's gonna have an arrow on it that's gonna say up for airflow, that's what we're looking at here. But this one is definitely pretty grody. It has about 30,000 miles on it, and it looks pretty nasty, okay? I'm gonna end up putting this one back because I don't have a new one, but if you need a new one, check down in the description box, and there's gonna be part number, and I'll leave you a link to Amazon for a new filter. But I'm gonna have to order this one since I am at the dealership checking this, and I'll notify the customer that they need one. But for right now, we're gonna put it back just in case they don't want it, and we're gonna put the door up top first and snap it back on. Get the glove box, just place it on its hinges just like this. Okay, once you have it on there, all you gotta do is close it. You hear it kind of click, and we're good to go. And then the damper here, we're just gonna grab it, and it just pops right back on. If you look, super easy. You can do it with one little finger, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, I really would appreciate it if you threw me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.